Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make salad sauce. Start by gathering your core ingredients: a good quality olive oil, your favorite vinegar, and some basic seasonings. A classic vinaigrette often uses a 2-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. Combine these in a bowl and whisk them vigorously. This helps to emulsify the dressing, creating a smooth and creamy texture that coats your salad beautifully. Once you have the basic vinaigrette down, it's time to get creative with flavors. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard not only adds a wonderful tang, but also helps the dressing emulsify even better. Fresh herbs, such as chopped chives or basil, can elevate the taste significantly. For a brighter, zesty note, try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime juice. These simple additions can transform your salad sauce. If you prefer a creamy dressing, it's just as easy. Start with a base of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise. Then, mix in your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, and a dash of black pepper. To achieve the perfect pourable consistency, gradually add a small amount of milk or water. This method allows you to control the thickness, ensuring your creamy dressing is just right for any salad. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade salad sauces. Keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for about 5 days. Always give your dressing a good shake or whisk before serving, and taste it to adjust any seasonings if needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.